Okay, this one is from section 3.3, number 73. This is case number 3, where you get the 2 scenarios. So one of the scenarios looks very similar to what you're looking at. It's already isolated, so I didn't have to do that step. I'm using the rules to pull it out of the step, out of the absolute value. So one looks very much like it. The other one, you have to flip the inequality and make it negative. So you have to do those 2 steps. All right, now we're going to isolate the x, so I've got to take away 17. Right, now I've got to divide off the -6. Oops, I lost my x. I'm going to divide off the -6. Now you're dividing by negative, so you have to flip the signs. Same thing here, you got to flip the signs. You got to reduce this. Okay, now let me draw it before I write it in interval notation. I prefer it as an improper fraction, but if anybody wants to write it as like 3 2/3, that's fine as well. Okay, so open going to the right, open going to the left. So this is the graph of it, unless you're using the interval notation on the graph, which is like really awesome if you guys do that. That would have been parentheses. All right, so let's write the answer in the fancy way. So this would be -infinity to 2, open, and we're going to have 11/3 open to positive infinity. And that would be the answer in interval notation, which is really nice if you're comfortable doing that. Okay, gang, that's it for 73 for this one.